What's the best way to promote Save Club? Okay. In my opinion, I'm going to show you what works best for me. And it's not really my opinion. I guess I just, my actions speak louder than my words, but I want you to get really comfortable with ways that you feel comfortable with. Because if I do something and you watch this video going, oh, I can't do that, you might just not even want to join Save Club, or you just might want to just pretend you're going to work at it, and in a month, you're just going to let it fade off into the sunset. Okay? The trick to this business is to find just one thing in the beginning. Okay, and most people, friends, family, you kind of mention, hey, look, I don't want to be a burden, but I want you to look at this Save Club thing. And if you join, great. If not, at least thank you, mom, dad, pet hippopotamus in the backyard. Maybe you got some puppies or cats that'll just sit there on the couch. Just have some snacks for them. And that way, just go like this up and down with your snacks. And while you're doing your presentation to Save Club, their animals are just like, yeah. And they're secretly going, look, give me the snack, or I'm going to snack on your sack and make your voice higher. Ouch. And if you don't have a sack, maybe they'll snack on your pouch. I don't know, whatever. But if you have like a Rottweiler or a pit bull and it hasn't eaten for a couple days, don't be doing what I just suggested. Okay, now let's get serious, man. Serious about having some fun. All right, serious about making some scratch. How about some moolah? Okay, this works for me. Business card at Vistaprint for $20. Make it. Buy a domain name at GoDaddy for $12.17 out the door. That's everything with tax. I bought ilovesaveclub.com. Boom. Tell GoDaddy, in my opinion, after you join as an affiliate, this is your page where you're going to invite everybody. So people go here and they watch this 6-minute video with our founder, Charles Mao. Okay, he's going to tell you more about the opportunity, make you feel comfortable. And if you want to join, great. Right where I'm at here, boom, look off to the bottom right. Just fill out your name and your info. Click that orange button and you will get more information. 1 email a day for 30 days. And if you don't want them anymore, just unsubscribe at the bottom of the email. Super easy. I suggest keep all 30 of them, because if you ever need to email people about the opportunity, copy the ones that Save Club sent you. Okay? And if you want to join, of course, you're going to get an email. Open up the Save Club email and get your username, your password, and just configure everything, okay? But this seems to work for me on a street level. If people bring this opportunity up, I will not talk like I am now, because if I do like a 10-minute, 15-minute presentation and you forget what I'm telling you, okay, it's gone. It's a waste of 15 minutes. But every time I do a video, I don't consider this a waste of my time. Because if I check this video 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year from now, guys, I could have thousands of views. Okay, so I'm a big fan of video. And if you freak out about buying a webcam, okay, I bought a Logitech C920. That's what I'm looking at right now. I think it's fine. It's clear enough. It sounds okay. If you want to use your phone, boom, use your phone. Okay, a lot of people they like to sit in their car or walk around in selfie mode. Or maybe, I don't know, turn it around or maybe do this, okay? If you do TikTok, it looks like most people just do selfie tiki-talkies like this. I have way more success by just chatting for you folks, like 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I do 15 to 20 to 30 minute. They're more webinars where I go more in depth about the opportunity, okay? And that's another video. This one I just want to do real quick and tell you, business cards, they still work. All right, I'm not telling you to go and put them in mailboxes or scotch tape them all over the place or leave them on gas pumps. I mean, maybe it still works. You know what? Just don't litter and don't bug people. But I highly suggest that you don't over talk about this in person, because you'll get a headache. And whoever you're telling to join, asking to join, they're going to think they're going to have to do the same thing. And nobody wants to spend all day yapping. No one even wants to talk on the phone anymore. They just want to get a text to watch a video. Trust me. All right, I got thousands and thousands of people that have signed up with me now over the last 2 years in my multiple businesses. Hardly anyone wants to chat on the phone. They just don't. And that's fine, because you're going to have more time to do things like market and work and eat and poop and break dance. Okay? Remember this move? That's right. 1985 with Breakin'. That's a good movie, right? Okay. So anyway, getting back to my business card, just Vistaprint, $20 to my house. The domain name, $12.17. I just bought another domain name. That's what it is with GoDaddy. Go to your favorite place. I think GoDaddy's the best because they have 24-hour live operators that will forward this to your capture page. Because some people don't want to log into GoDaddy and figure out how to do it. And it's actually easy. It only takes like 60 seconds to forward a domain to this page you're looking at. But just tell the people on the phone with you, hey, you know what? I just bought I love saveclub.com and forward it to saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. Because that's my username. And yours is going to be different. Okay, and then you're going to put your name right there. I just like Cory Draper. It's my name. I want people to know me, actually even more than Save Club. All right, and then I just put it there so you know that you're at my website. All right, it seems to work for me, and I hope you do it. Okay, and then when you log in, all right, you can check out your stats. It looks like I joined about 10 days ago, and I got almost 50 people signed up. And I do video, all right, I do some social media posts. I have people mostly that get a hold of me. So I don't mind writing them back on a keyboard. I'm a bigger fan of emailing back and writing back on like an inbox message. I can type way faster and try to text. I do very, very little anything on my cell phone business-wise. And it's just because I have to squint. My fingers are kind of big, and it drives me crazy. So I love to do a webcam with keyboard in front of me, light, and I just have a desk. I can have comfortable things off camera that you can't see. But that just works for me. But if you want a webcam, mine was $70. It's called a Logitech C920. You can see the little light ring that lights my face up. If you have bad lighting, I'm just in a commercial building with no windows. So I got to use kind of like a light to light me up a little better. Okay. And then when you want to check your stats and see are people pre-enrolling, are they actually signing up? You can see this morning I already got 2 people interested. I'll probably get a couple signups today. That'd be great. So thank you if you're one of them. All right, you can check out your website. All right, just click that link that says websites, and there's only 2 right now. But use that one. See where it says Powerline landing page? That's the one that I invite you to. I like to call it a capture page, but call it what you want. We only have one right now, and that's the one to use. Okay, boom. You can check out your earnings. You can check out who's on the leaderboard. I think I'm in the top 20. Yeah, last night when I checked. Okay, I'm number 16. It looks like I'm tied with, is it Kajwan Mayo? That's like a cool name, man. And I got some good buddies here, Carlos and Nick Bramble. All right, so it's good to see some people that I go back and forth with on Facebook and see them doing some business, you know. This is a live timer that shows people that are actually signing up. And then the comp plan, if you're interested on how we make money, just go to pay plan. Okay, so if you signed up already, just go to the bottom of your cell phone or website, and it says affiliate pay plan or pay plan. And we get paid 5 ways. Now, if you haven't joined, see right there, it says saveclub.com/pay plan. Go ahead and check that out. And just take your time and go through it. Okay? Right now, if you sign up with me, I get a quick $20 to $32. Okay, it depends on my level and how many people I've signed up. But it's awesome. It's a really generous pay plan with 5 ways to pay you if you just sit and just be a cheerleader. Tell people to join. We get commissions off the membership. You don't have to buy any packages. You don't have to buy any products. Just save money. Literally. Save $50 to $100 a month on things you're already buying. And then let's earn some money too at the 5 ways. Okay? Eventually they're going to put a video down here below. Okay? And you can watch just a YouTube video. That's going to be the best. And I might just make a comp plan video real quick. Maybe I can do it in about 10 minutes. But right now it's a great pay plan. Do the best you can to just study it. saveclub.com/pay plan. And what's exciting is, you know, the matching bonus. Okay, that with the efforts of your group, you can get a something off everybody. Isn't that exciting? And you can read about it. And then one way, well, hold on, okay, there we go. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star. See, depending on how many people, I should be a 3-star here because 100 people in my group. That's awesome. But if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 star, all right, the company sets aside 1%, okay, per star of the total income of memberships and affiliate income each month, every 30 days. Okay, so if there's $1 million, take away 1% of that, and then however many people are qualified with 1 through 4 stars, okay, you're going to get a slice of that. That's just a bonus for, you know, being a cool person that says, man, I'm going to go ahead and take this serious. All right, so if you're a 1 star, Okay, and there's 1% of 1 million, but let's say there's just 75 one stars, or maybe there's 100. Divide 100 into that 1%, and just each person gets that money. I just figure a big round table, like the Knights of the Round Table back in the old days of the medieval blah. All right, a big big mess of gold on a massive table, and everyone's around it, and a big old stack of gold is just sliced off for you. All right, let's make that a reality. Okay, but you'll have to read this video. You know, I'm at 10 minutes. This isn't a pay plan video, but if you want to look into it, like I said, just go to saveclub.com/pay plan. Or if you've already logged in and, well, if you've already joined, just go to the very bottom. It says pay plan. Okay, you'll figure it out. And like I said, once we have a really nice YouTube produced video that I like, or from the company, I'm going to go ahead and just say, guys, watch the video, because I won't even bring up the pay plan ever again. It's so much easier to see graphics, charts, and just maybe within 6 to 9 minutes, you can just watch and go, okay, now I get it. And then if people sign up underneath you and ask about pay plan, do the same. Invite them to watch the video. That's the way to go. So, all right, guys, let me show you my Vistaprint card one more time. I love saveclub.com. Check it out. Watch the video. Sign up. If you pre-enroll or upgrade, I'll see that, and I'll send you a nice email about what I do every day, how I make it fun and make it a routine. And there's my email right there on the bottom of the card, just Cory@CoryDraper.com. All right, guys, thank you. 11 minutes and 45 seconds, it looks like. So my work is done. I'm going to invite you to join my YouTube video. Okay? All right. Oop, I almost coughed. I won't even edit this out because it's too much time. All right, yeah, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Email me. You guys know the deal. Okay, guys. And find me on Facebook, too. I'm not shy there. Just inbox me there, and I'll get back with you. Okay? All right, guys, have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.